Well, you guys, welcome to my kitchen.
And my nightmare.
And Patrick's nightmare. So my weird idea for the kitchen, because kitchen cabinets are so stinking expensive, is to use furniture. We acquired furniture, the little hutch that Patrick's standing next to. Got it at the DI. It's kind of like Goodwill out here in Utah. The dresser you see right here, part of it, that's my childhood dresser, and that's going to get painted the same color as all this. We have a rack that was from the 1970s from my grandmother. It was a TV stand. And then this buffet, or no, actually it's a TV stand also.
Yeah.
We got from our friend Alana. So there's one behind me that I can't show you right now, but, and I won't show you because I got all my dishes and stuff out of here and back behind me. But Patrick is going, and this is very exciting, he's going to make me butcher block countertop for this one. And I've got my paint. I've got a new sander. I'm going to go to town this week, you people. I am really excited. I'm going to get this all fixed. And hopefully the paint color will bring all these mismatched pieces of furniture together. That's my hope. And I think that'll work good. I got this notion off of Home Talk on YouTube. And a guy made his wife a pie safe out of a dresser, an old dresser. And this is my old dresser from the night. I think it was my sister's before it was mine. So it was 1950s. But yeah, that's what we're doing weird in my kitchen today, if you want to join us. Well, it's the next day. It's my turn again. I sanded this whole thing and wiped it all down. Patrick took all the shelves out for me. I scuffed it and then I washed it all down again. And now today is paint day. All right, let's do this. I can't wait. The camera will not show the correct actual color, but it'll be close. Guacamole. I hope 1 gallon will do all my furniture. I think it will. And I forgot to get a paint roller. Oh, it is beautiful. That is probably the best angle I'm going to get you guys on. Anyway, I'm going to get busy. Oh, I love it. Probably should cut in first, but I'm too anxious to see color on this thing. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this was the color. And I don't know that I told you guys, but this is Glidden. It is primer and paint all in one, and we've used this before, and it worked really well. So, yeah, it's covering perfect. I'm taking a break, you guys. I got 1 coat on the whole thing, except for the sides. Patrick's going to have to bring it out for me to do the sides, and I haven't done these shelves. I've got my paint stuff in a bag. I've got like 4 shelves I have to paint, but I can do that. I'll probably put them on top because I'm not painting the top because the butcher block's going on there. But oh, you guys, I love this color. I just love it. Last piece of the backsplash going in. I love it. The cost of this is a fraction of what the butcher block goes. One. Yeah, they're $200 at the store for a 6-foot.
Yeah, that's.
And then this. And then this cost us $50. Even with the conditioner and stuff and the wood glue and everything. $50. It just looks, don't you think this looks better than the store-bought one?
Yeah.
I mean, it's got more character. It's got more everything. I just love it. I love it. Here goes nothing, y'all. Neither one of us are experts at doing this, so I get elected, which is fine with me. Ooh, boy, that stinks.
Yeah, dude. It's flammable.
Yeah. Now, how come it be stinky and be food safe?
As the stinky evaporates.
I don't know. Takes 6 hours to dry, and then I can do it again tomorrow. It says after a light buffing. So, okay. Buffing. You can't see it, but it's right next to us. I'm extremely happy how this turned out. It took us a while. I'm sorry we haven't got a video up, but we were working hard behind the scenes. And this took us far longer than I expected it to, but it also came out much better than I expected it to.
It did.
It looks so much better than your store-bought Home Depot butcher block counters that I can't already describe how much I love this thing. So anyway, thank you for hanging in there with us, you guys. We appreciate you. If you haven't, please subscribe. We would love to have you. And hit the bell for notification. Give us a thumbs up on your way out if you wouldn't mind.
And we like to see your comments, and please share.
That helps us a lot. And we're going to be making quite a few videos because we've got a lot of stuff planned. And we're still going strong behind the scenes here. All right, and until we're together again, if you have to, hunker down.